Language of the birds. Start the course with the cawing call of the coal-black and cryptic crow. Descend in jet-feathered downfall to the devolving depths below. Dissolve into the loss of all. Let the liquefaction flow. The moon lights this lackluster tide, lustrous in luminosity. Waking in wonder with wings wide, the white swan swims this swaying sea, soul mirrored on the surface side, sliding in the sheen silently. Light splits in a spectrum of rays, of iridescent rainbow eyes. Prismatic plumage is ablaze, with irises that alchemize. The flashing feathers of this phase fan the peacock tail's precious prize. What's now purified and apart must sacrifice to save its own. The pelican plucks from her heart, feeding her flock from her breastbone. Swallow this solution to start, sublimating the soul's bloodstone. Now nest in the pithy pyre, let it combust in cremation. Rise the phoenix from the fire, incarnate in immolation. Essence freed, the soul soars higher, transformed by transmutation.